Hi everybody, it's Kevin Piqua here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2017 Grand Caravan that is certified pre-owned Dodge Grand Caravan. This is the SXT model. This is stock number CP15640T. This is featured in billet, silver, clear coat. As you can see, it's got a very nice sparkle to it. Very pretty vehicle. It's good about hiding any kind of dirt. This again is a certified pre-owned vehicle. These all come with a 3.6 liter V6 and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This has the cloth and suede inserts. These of course are all automatic. These all have power sliding doors, power rear hatch, the 4 bucket seats. All the seats are stow and go, so the seats will lay flat into the floor. These also have the keyless entry. There's what you get with being a certified vehicle, a longer warranty, car rental allowance, free Carfax report, 24-hour roadside assistance, XM radio trial edition, 3 months or 3,000 miles. Very nice vans, good for people moving, good if you have a vacation coming up this summer with the kids. Or if you just like to travel. These all have the power locks, power windows, power mirrors, power driver's seat. They also have the Bluetooth connection, so you can pair your compatible smartphone with the audio system. Make and receive phone calls, listen to any kind of music you may have. This one also has remote start too, so you can start this from 100, maybe 150 feet away from the van. So when you come out in the summer, it'd be nice and cool. In the winter, it's nice and warm. This also has a 6.5-inch touchscreen display with a rear backup camera. Again, this is a certified 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, stock number CP15640. If you have any questions on this beautiful Caravan or any beautiful vehicle you've seen on the internet or on our lot, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Piqua from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. As always, thank you for giving us an opportunity and have a beautiful day.